A warm welcome to you all. Today we can see about the Python learning map. As we all know that Python has variety of applications. In today's scenario, Python has large amount of job opportunities in that. If you study Python means you can have a career growth in web development, app development, gaming, data scientist and analyst, AML, and many more opportunities are there. We have to discuss about Python learning map and what we have to study. Phase 1 is getting started. So the first thing is that introduction to Python. Next thing is that you have to install the Python. You have variety of softwares like Anaconda, Jupyter Notebook. Then you have to set up the IDE, Integrated Development Environment, with the help of VS Code or PyCharm, etc. The next thing is that basic syntax and operations you should know. Syntax are nothing but the structures that involved in a program. Then control structures, which is nothing but a conditional statement such as if else or switch case, loop statements you should learn. Phase 2. Phase 2 is the core concepts. What are the important concepts that you should learn for learning the Python? Number 1 is data structures. Then functions. You should know how to define and call a function. Then the models and the packages that you are going to use. Understand this Python package index helps to install the libraries and all the models that you are requiring. Then phase 3 is the intermediate topics. First one is the file handling, reading data and writing data, different types of files that you are using. For example, .txt, .csv. The next one is the error handling. Before run a program, we have to test that file also. What is the error that we are going to get and how you can handle those errors. Main concept is object-oriented programming. The first thing is the class and the object. Call the function by using an object. Building all these functions into a class. Then inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulations. Then working with the libraries. You should know about the basic library functions. Exploring popular libraries such as NumPy, Panda and Matplotlib. Phase 4 is advanced topics that includes advanced data structures just as linked list, star, queue, tree and graphs. The next one is the concurrency. Here you are going to see about the multi-threading and multi-processing. Multiple processes are going on. So this concurrency helps to check this multi-processing and multi-threading concepts. So next one is testing. For using this testing approach, we can clear the bugs inside it. Phase 5 is the specialization areas where this Python can be applicable. Number 1 is web development using frameworks such as Django, Flask. Then in data science and machine learning, we can use a variety of libraries such as SciPy, NumPy, scikit-learn and PyTorch for deep learning concepts. So phase 6 is the final one, best practices and learning. So first you have to look at the quality and best practices. Then the contribution and collaboration with the links such as GitHub. And then continuous learning, which means that keep on update with the Python and its libraries. I hope this mastery guide helps to develop your Python skills development plan. Next videos we can see about from the introduction to Python and then the implementation of all these codes we will discuss in the upcoming videos. I hope you understand the roadmap for Python. Thanks for watching the video. Kindly like, share and subscribe the channel.